Welcome back to another video.
If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Because if you ain't part of the fam,
What you doing?
Hey, they gon' understand me every day and night. You know I'm riding for my family. Yeah, hey, count my blessings. I can't let the moment pass. Hey, you are now tuned in to DJ and Kaz. Let's go. Hey, you know it's a family affair, so let's get it hype 'cause the energy's right. You know that everybody is here. Yeah, count my blessings. I can't let the moment pass. You are now tuned in to DJ and Kaz. David, Jessica, Callie, Avery, and Zoe. DJ and Kaz.
Good morning, y'all. We about to go to the pool today. David is handling some business real quick. When he's finished, we'll be going. But we're gonna take the kids to the pool today.
My mom just had me to the pool today. My daddy has Avery. Look at her cute faces.
Hi guys.
We're gonna have fun in the sun.
All right, let's do it. Bye.
Let's do it. Look at Zoe's cute baby teeth. Let's go. Be down.
Wee.
Oh my goodness, it's so pretty.
It is pretty. Come on, we're going this way, baby.
All right, we're out here in the pool area. It's really pretty. I'm over here with Zoe, and she's knocked out. Kalia don't like to get her eyes wet, so I know she's probably over there crying. The slide, y'all. Look who's up now, looking around. Hey, boo. Hi, welcome to the pool.
We're at the beach. Hey, look at all the sand.
Yeah.
Come on, Avery. All right, y'all, so we're at the beach. We're on South Beach. And Kalia and I, we're about to go get in the ocean and look at those waves. See those big waves, Kalia?
Yeah.
You and I, we're about to get in the waves.
They're knocking everybody down.
Yeah, they're knocking everybody down, huh?
What is he doing? What is he doing? Avery's mad because she wants to get into. I think Zoe might be mad too. Oh, zoomed all the way in on your friend. This thing almost knocked her off. Okay. Oh my God!
All right, y'all, so I'm back in out of the water. I'm the only one who got in the ocean.
No, because you got in when she fell off your neck.
Jessica did not want to participate in the family activities. Kalia got in, but no, that was pretty much on purpose. So this is what I did. Parenting moment I may or may not be proud of. So I had Kalia on my neck. I had Kalia on my neck. Oh, y'all saw that? Look at those crashing waves. And she fell off, but like a real G, she recovered.
Did she though?
And I recovered her.
Hey Zoe, you looking at your daddy talk. Yeah. Easy, your daddy.
Oh,
He's just a gummy little baby.
he's gummy.
Yeah, so it's a nice day out here in Miami.
Yeah, so I'm here at the beach, and I don't have an bathing suit because I didn't bring one, but I brought one for the kids. So our drinks have arrived. Nobody can see that, Dave. Your hands all in the way.
I mean, it's just
Dave has some rum and strawberry puree and stuff.
I'm drinking rum and red.
I have a peach punch. Yummy. Woo! You throw him. Whoop whoop boop finally came. Yay! Because the kids were so hungry. Yeah, we having brunch today at another Broken Egg Cafe, and this is all of our food. The shrimp and grits over there. Okay, I still don't know how to pronounce it. Bene. Okay, NOLA people, don't kill me in the comments. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Bene.
Okay, they killed the bacon. Okay, because there she go with the bacon, and there she go with the bacon. We got a pumpkin waffle because I love all things pumpkin, and peach cobbler pancakes. Yum. Oh, and we got some peach mimosas. I love peach too. All the foods I ate. Look at him trying to feed her. Stop.
What she wanted?
No. My baby is 4 months and breastfed. He's trying to give her that. And anyway, so everybody ate all the food. They still working on this bacon. I know, we put it away.
Mommy, watch this.
What? Okay, you actually did it pretty good that time. Do it again. Ooh, girl, you got better at that. Now what you
Because it
do?
used to be like this. Watch this. Y'all can tell that Jessica drunk.
Okay.
Back to zero.
Bye. Yeah. There's Kalia. Hey. There you go.
Yay!
Aww. Go join them. Go dance with them. Yeah. Right, Nisha.
Hi, Bam Bam.
Hey y'all, so today we decided to come to South Beach. We're at Sugar Factory right now, having food and drink. So we decided to come today to complete our beach day. Kalia's trying to be helpful. Thank you, boo. It looks really pretty in here. They have it all lit up and nice. Appetizers and our drinks. Wow, it's so pretty. Here comes David with the kids because he had to park the car because I would have gotten hot if I had to walk from the parking lot. So he had to park the car for us.
You want some?
You are very beautiful.
Oh, thanks.
Wow.
You swag.
But go ahead. This girl is so beautiful, y'all. Like, I literally have tears in my eyes because my wife is so beautiful.
Why did the man give me a rubber ducky?
So we're done eating and we got the bill and where's something GoFundMe, Cash Apps, whatever y'all got. Help us out.
Right? Western Union.
South Beach.
Currently on South Beach. What's up, baby? I'm trying to navigate this stroller with one hand. Ooh.
Alright, y'all, deuces. Catch y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.